Well, the plan for today, we just finished a hike all the way up that hill. Holy shit, this was an adventure. Oh yeah, enjoy this video. Woo! Bit of a hike with a team. Here we go. Couple of people still asleep.
Phu Quoc's still dreaming about pussy.
Oh, baby chicken.
Been all of about 4 minutes. Phu Quoc's tapped out. He's at the back. Tommy's tapped out.
I'll take a piss.
Use that big sex tank for something useful.
It's not a hybrid. It's only calibrated for one thing right now. Oh, come on!
Big snake.
Japanese animation.
Yeah, I just remember doing that up the hill.
Oh god, I'm too fat for this. I need a beer.
Bunsen, how we feeling?
Oh, loving it, mate.
Loving it?
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, Phu Quoc. He's fighting battles down there.
Go, Phu Quoc.
Oh god, I'm gonna have a fat attack. Call EMS. Get the oxygen ready.
Oh, fighting battles down here. No one's getting left behind.
Leave me.
We're all making it to the top today.
Leave me. Let me die in peace.
Three, 2, 1, we're going up.
I gotta just jump. There you go.
Go find Phu Quoc. Yeah, Phu Quoc! Only flat from here, brother. Only flat.
And the bullets catching your teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy. The wheel breaks the butter.
Oh, he's clipped the tree and still got going.
Stormy night, she closed her eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, scared. Oh, fuck.
Oh, damn, boy.
Oh, suitcase, put your arms in, hero. No way. Oh, chin back, chin back.
We've decided to take another track down and it is just basically all bush. I don't really know where we're going. I'm kind of leading the group astray here. Hopefully it's something good. Sick track. Starting to really trudge through the bush now. It's getting real overgrown all of a sudden. I don't know if this is still the track, but we're going somewhere.
Maybe we have to go somewhere else at that rock.
No, I reckon we got this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Trust you.
This is getting just some sick survival track. This is awesome. Ooh. Oh, dude. That's sick. Yo. If you're wondering why I'm shaking this stick in front of me, it's because I'm getting collected in the face by spider webs left, right and centre. Me and Axel up front leading the pack. We have no idea where this actually goes. We think it might be going to the waterfall. Zero clue. But we're along for the adventure, so we're going to see where this goes. Just after Axel said it's not very steep, we start getting big hills. Down we go. Woohoo! It's a very slippery decline here. Hey!
Yeah, buddy.
Outrun him on the bitumen now, wouldn't you?
Woo! She's a slippery one. Woo! 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 Hey! He's down! He's eating it! Whoa!
Really off-road near Mad Mudder.
Fuck!
Oh, see, the bands are sliding. Here we go again. Woo! Woo! Here you little bugger. Whoopsie.
Now we're sweating.
Oh yeah,
We're getting hot here.
steamy.
Luke's almost here. Give us an update, Yoon. How are you feeling?
Good, but this road is not clean, so a little bit dangerous. Like jungle. Yeah. Amazon. Yeah. Because the Korean mountains always so clean the road. But here, like jungle.
Woo.
Oh my god.
Alrighty crew, what are we thinking? We're going left or right here?
Left.
Left?
Yeah. Watch says left.
Let's go left.
We have line of sight with the building. Hey! Woohoo! Yes! How you feeling, Buns?
Good as gold, mate. Love it.
Tommy, how you feeling?
Yeah, fuck it. That was sick.
Vicky, how you feeling, mate?
Ah, mate, I fucking love it.
That was sick.
Feeling ground.
Brayden,
You're beautiful.
how you feeling, Pook?
Great.
Yeah? Geordie?
Yeah, woo!
We just finished that climb. We made it back to civilization. Holy shit, that was an awesome adventure. Woohoo! Until next time, baby.
I got a gal, she looked just fine. Always bring me whiskey and wine. Breakfast in the morning and dinner at night. Everything she do just right. But when I say what you want me to do, she say it's just one thing that I want from you. A little bit of rock, a little bit of roll, a little bit of rock.
The last fucking hurdle, Puko.
I'm not ready for this. My legs are shaking.